Okay, y'all, so here I'm just sorting through my black eyed peas. They've been soaking for over 24 hours. I found that this makes the peeling step a lot easier because some of them will already start to sort of come out. So all you have to do is just sort of rub them in your hands and they just come out. And I'll show y'all another method too that'll make sure you have them all cleared out. So that's just what I'm doing. This is very time consuming. So do this someday when you're bored, you ain't got nothing else to do, and just get this done. Okay, y'all, so this is my second step, and I'm just using some water in my hands, and I have them in a colander, and I'm gonna scrub them in between my hands, and this helps sort of expedite the process and use the water to rinse it off. And just to make sure you may not get all of them, but most of them will be clean by this process. And it doesn't have to be perfect, you just have to make sure you get most of them, not all of them. Okay, y'all, so once they're clean, I go ahead and put them in my food processor and blend them up, and they look like this. And you're gonna go ahead and start adding some water. It's gonna look like thick, like grits almost. That's the texture that you're looking for. It's gonna be kind of gritty. And so at this point, you're gonna go ahead and transfer that to your bowl. And we're gonna start adding some nice seasonings. Now see this, you may not see this in the video, but I did add 1/4 cup of flour just to thicken it up. You do not have to do that if this mix is a lot thicker, but I think I added quite a bit too much water. But I like it for it to be nice and airy sort of on the inside. And so, but this is all up to you, whatever you want to do. And you just go ahead and season with some salt, some pepper. I like to use some garlic powder. If you have some ground ginger, also use that in there. Okay, you guys, so this is now the step where you're going to cover it up and let it rest for about 30 minutes. And now we are ready to fry this up. And I'm just dropping the batter down with small spoonfuls. As you can see, the batter is not stiff, but it's also not loose. This is exactly the consistency that you want, so that you can have a light, nice and airy sort of puff in there. And I'm going to show you guys the end result. Unfortunately, it looks like I stopped recording before I got through all of them, but I did get a really good picture for you guys. So enjoy. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.